take a look at how much I've made right here on Cpagrip. You can see I've made this particular amount right here, which is about $5,400 on Cpagrip in my all-time earnings, and I've actually gotten a total paid of about $4,100, and I do have a pending balance right now of $1,300 right here. So this is actually an amazing strategy right here, because in today's video I'm going to show you a very unique strategy which you can actually use to start making money on Cpagrip. I'm going to show you one of the strategies which I actually did use to earn such amount right here with CPA marketing. So make sure you do stick on and watch this video to the end and learn this exact same strategy right now. So guys, without more delay of time, let's jump right ahead into today's video. But guys, if you're new to my channel, I basically create videos about CPA marketing and how to make money online. So make sure you do go on to checking out such videos in my channel if you are actually interested in such kinds of content, as they can actually do help you boost your income online. And you can see right here guys, I've not made any money right here today, but I'm going to show you how I actually did go on to making such amount right here on this platform right now. So first of all guys, you want to head on to this particular platform which is called the Cpagrip.com, and if you don't have an account, just simply go on to clicking on register right here. You'll be brought to this page, and where you do have to go on to filling out this form which you are shown right here. Fill out the sections mostly important that are actually having the red asterisk signs, and if you do fill out those particular fields right there, you could actually come right here to this publisher type, select either the web incense, the website /incense, or the GPT. And if you do select that right there, it actually helps you go on to getting your account approved almost immediately. You can then just simply read through the terms of services right here and agree to them by checking out these boxes right here. If they're suitable by you, you can then just simply click on register now. And if you do click on register now guys, your account will be created, and you can then just simply go on to logging into your account. If I log into my account, I should be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. To get offers which I can promote, I'm going to go onto the offer tools section and click on my offers. And if I do click on my offers right here guys, I'll be shown offers which I can actually do go on to promoting. And I'm just going to go on to selecting a different country right here to get offers to a different demographic right now. If I do go on to selecting the United States, as you can see right now, I'm just going to be shown offer available to that particular demographic. You can see right here that these are the offers available to that demographic right now. You can see these offers actually stand for Apple iOS offer. This is actually an Android offer. This is actually Android offers right here, or desktop offers also. This is our desktop offers right here. So you want to just simply go on to selecting an offer which you could go on to promoting. Supposing guys, I want to just simply promote this offer which is for people to actually do go on to installing and using the Apple application on their devices, and their device actually have to be an Apple iOS device, and they have to actually go on to submitting their mobile number or installing this particular application on their device. If they do install this application, I do get paid 89 cents if they did use my unique affiliate link to go onto that particular platform. So this is actually an amazing strategy which you could earn money with CPA marketing. What you want to do right now to promote this offer is to actually do head onto this platform right here, which is called the tinyurl.com, and actually go on to shortening your URL right here. If I do paste in the URL to that offer, click on shorten URL, I do have now a new URL which I can actually do use to go on to promoting that offer right now. And guys, you can also go on to using any other link shortener website out there for this exact same strategy. So once you do copy the link, you could then just simply head onto this platform right here, which is called the postalladsforfree.com. And if you do head onto this platform, this is quite an amazing platform which you could use to go on to posting free ads right here. As you can see, if you do go on to clicking on post an ad, you should be brought to a page such as this, where you want to just simply go on to selecting a location. And I can just simply go on to selecting a location right now. Supposing I want to select the United States, because that offer is available to that country right there, I can just simply go on to selecting a location. If I want to promote this offer to Texas, I can just simply select a location in Texas to go on to promoting this offer too. As you can see, that has actually been selected. You want to select the type of offer right here. As you can see, this offer is actually a mobile install offer for an Apple application right here. So it's quite important that you understand what that particular offer is all about, and you can then just simply go on to selecting the location or the category which that offer actually falls in. Supposing I do go on to selecting services right here, I'm just going to select this type of services right here. If I just select that, as you can see, I can then just simply go on to posting my ad on this platform. What I want to do right now is to paste in a title right here. I could add in my email address right now, and in this ad description section, guys, you can see it says please post only unique ad. Duplicate ad will be removed right here from this platform. You want to just simply go on to drafting out a cool message right here, which you want to just simply go on to conveying to people. And right here, guys, you want to put in the asking price. For that asking price, you want to leave that at 0 to actually give them for free. You could complete this recaptcha right here and click on choose file. Then you could then just simply go on to posting your ad. But you want to make sure right here that in this description or this ad description, you're also putting the link to that particular offer, telling them that they actually need to go on to clicking that link and completing that offer right there. And if they actually do that, you start making money with CPA marketing. So guys, all you actually have to do is to fill out this page appropriately, then just simply go to clicking on post ad, and your ad will be posted free right now. It is an amazing strategy which you could take advantage of. Another website which you could take advantage of right now is called the Cpagrip.com, and this is also an amazing platform where you could buy stores, you could sell, rent, and exchange stuff right here with this particular platform right now. So you could just simply also go on to using this particular platform to post ads for free. I actually do go on to clicking on post ad, and if you do that, guys, you should be able to drive traffic to your CPA marketing offers, which is this one right here, and start getting a lot of money doing so and making passive income with CPA marketing. So that's it for now, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bells are turned on all. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.